Hello students, in the previous video we have seen calculation of skewness for that Karl Pearson's method. Now today we will see Bowley's method to calculate skewness and coefficient of skewness. Full name of Bowley, that is Professor A. L. Bowley, has given a measure of skewness based on quartile. The measure is based on the position of quartile. It considers the main assumption that both the quartiles Q1 and Q3 are not equidistant from the median, is a skewed frequency distribution. Now whenever Q3 and Q1 both are not at the same distance from the median, then it is a skewed frequency distribution that we can see, right? So formula for the skewness for Bowley's method, that is skewness is equals to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median, Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median, and formula for the coefficient of skewness for Bowley's method, that is coefficient of skewness, that is denoted by J, and its formula, that is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median upon Q3 minus Q1, right? Now another formula that we can also utilize, that Q3 minus median minus Q1, Q3 minus median plus median minus Q1, right? But this is little bit longer formula and calculation also becomes lengthy. So it is better to advise use this formula only, because the simplification of this formula becomes this formula. So this is the formula of coefficient of skewness for Bowley's method. Now exercise 5.2, in that first sum, that is from the following frequency distribution of different youngsters exercising in a gymnasium, find coefficient of skewness by Bowley's method and state the type of skewness, means whether this distribution is positively skewed or negatively skewed, that we have to specify. Now here age is given and number of youngsters that is given, age that is X and number of youngsters that is F, frequency distribution, right? So here we have to apply Bowley's method. So let's start the sum. Formula of skewness, again let's see that for skewness Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median, and coefficient of skewness, that is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median upon Q3 minus Q1, right? Now table is prepared, we have to find out quartile and median, so we require only cumulative frequency, that is CF. So age is written, frequency I have written, and CF we have to find out. These both are already given in the form of sum. So age that is written, frequency that is written, make a total of frequency, that is our N. So now find out CF. So first frequency remains as it is 4 में अभी 1 by 1 ये F ऐड करते जाएंगे, 4 plus 11 becomes 15, 15 plus 19 becomes 34, 34 plus 9 becomes 43, 43 plus 8 51, 51 plus 22 comes 73, 73 plus 7 comes 80, 80 plus 3 comes 83. So now we find that quartile 1 is equals to n plus 1 upon 4th observation, total number of n that is 83, 83 plus 1 upon 4. So this becomes 21. 21 we have to see. अभी हमें यहाँ पे क्वार्टाइल का Q1 का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है डिस्क्रीट सीरीज में, तो 21 दैट वी चेक इन द CF, तो 34 में जाएगा 21, सो 34 x वैल्यू दैट इज अवर क्वार्टाइल 1, तो 34 का x वैल्यू दैट इज 20, सो Q1 इज इक्वल्स टू 20. नाउ वी फाइंड आउट क्वार्टाइल 3. सो 3 ये ऑलरेडी हमने ये चैप्टर नंबर 3-4 में देखा ही है. सेम मेथड वी हैव टू फॉलो हियर. So 3 in bracket n, this is n plus 1 upon 4th observation, and that is 83. 3 in bracket 83 plus 1 upon 4, so 63 come. 63 we have to see in the CF, 63 lies in the 73. 63 यहाँ पे तो आएगा नहीं, 63 lies in the value of 73. 73 is x value, that is our quartile 3. So Q3 is equals to 25. Now we find out median. Formula of median, n plus 1 upon 2th observation, and that is 83. 83 plus 1 upon 2, so 42. ये भी हम देखेंगे CF में. 42 lies in the 43. 43 is x value, that is median, so median is equals to 22, right? Now here in the sum it is given that find out coefficient of skewness by Bowley's method. So directly formula of coefficient of skewness, that is denoted by J. Formula, that is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median upon Q3 plus minus Q1. Put up all the values of Q1, median and Q3 and simplify this, so J comes 0.2. So now we interpret this, or we write down a statement that the given distribution is positively skewed, because the value derived in positive, so it is positively skewed, and if value derived in negative form, then the statement becomes the given distribution is negatively skewed. So this is how we can calculate coefficient of skewness by Bowley's method. अगर यहाँ पे स्कीवनेस बोला होता तो स्कीवनेस की फॉर्मूला रख के आंसर्स तो भी सारी वैल्यूज़ और आंसर्स तो है ही, बस पुटअप करके आंसर्स फाइंड आउट कर देने के थे. दैट्स इट. सम नंबर 2 नाउ. The frequency distribution of paid up share capital out of the issued share capital for 31 manufacturing companies is as follows. Find skewness and its coefficient by Bowley's method and the state the type of the skewness. Now see here in the table, paid up share capital less than 100, less than 300, less than 500 is given. So first of all we have to convert this into the classes. And number of companies, see in this 0, 6, 16, 19, 23, 27, 31 increasing order is given. This is the increasing order, ये सारे increasing order में ही है. That means this is the CF is given. ये CF दे दिया है, so CF से हमें frequency में convert करना है. समझ में आ रहा है? ये सारे increasing order है, that means cumulative frequency ही दे दिया है, CF दे दिया है, तो CF से हमें फ्रीक्वेंसी फाइंड आउट करना है. नाउ सी मैंने वो क्लासेस में कन्वर्ट कर दिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेस देन 100 इज गिवन, सो हियर यू कैन राइट ऑन 0 ऑल्सो, 0 to 100 और लेस देन 100, राइट. देन सेकंड वन, उसमें सेकंड में दिया है 300 दिया है, तो ये 100 to 300 आएगा. फिर थर्ड में लेस देन 500 दिया है, तो 300 to 500. देन नेक्स्ट 700 इज गिवन, तो 500 to 700. You sit along with your text book and आप सम देखेंगे फिर ये सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे. Then 700 to 900, 900 to 1100, 11 to 1300, right? CF is already given. Now we convert this into the frequency. First of all 0 remains as it is, 0, right? 6 minus 0 comes 6, 16 minus 6 comes 10. इसमें उल्टा जाएंगे. 19 minus 10, 16 minus 6 comes 10. देन आफ्टर आप इस तरह से भी जा सकते हैं. 0 फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 0 रिमेन्स एज इट इज़, राइट. 0 minus 6 6, 16 minus 6 10, 16 19 minus 16 comes 3, 23 minus 19 comes 4, 27 minus 23 comes 4, 31 minus 27 comes 4. समझ में आया? नाउ वंस अनदर टाइम आई एम रिपीटिंग. 0 रिमेन्स एज इट इज़ 0, बिकॉज 0 से ऊपर तो कुछ है नहीं, तो लेस तो कर ही नहीं सकेंगे. 6 minus 0 comes 6, 16 minus 6 comes 10, 19 minus 16 comes 3, 23 minus 19 comes 4, 27 minus 23 comes 4, 31 minus 27 comes 4. So this is how we can find out original frequency. Why we need to find out original frequency? Because we require total, we require n. Frequency is total, that is our n. Now we find out quartile. This is continuous series, so n by 4 आएगा. So n by 4th observation, right, and that is 31, 31 upon 4th observation, so 7.5. Now 7.5 lies in this 10th class. 300 to 500, this is our Q1 class. Now we write down formula of quartile 1 n plus L plus n by 4 minus CF upon F मल्टीप्लाई बाई C. ये थर्ड चैप्टर में जो हमने पढ़ा था बस वही सेम ही है थर्ड फोर्थ में, राइट. इसमें और कुछ नया है नहीं. देन L दैट इज लोअर क्लास, लोअर लिमिट ऑफ द Q1 क्लास, सो दैट इज 300 प्लस n बाई 4, सीधा ये लिख दीजिए 7.5 माइनस, अभी ये वाला 7.5 में लाइज हो रहा था, राइट. तो ये वाला प्रीवियस, इसका जो प्रीवियस वैल्यू यहाँ पे प्रीवियस CF, प्रीवियस वैल्यू दैट इज अवर CF, राइट. एंड ये जो बनेगा दैट इज अवर फ्रीक्वेंसी. So put up values. CF that is 6, frequency that is 10, class interval of this class only that is 200, rather than 200. Simplify this and find out Q1, that comes 333. Now quartile 3 in bracket n by 4th observation, 3 in bracket 31 upon 4, so it comes 23.25. So 23.25 ये यहाँ पे लाइज करेगा, लाइज ओवर हियर. ये आप ये वाला Q1 भी आप यहाँ ही देखेंगे बिकॉज ये CF एंड F इधर उधर ये थोड़ा, बिकॉज हम इस तरह से सीखते हैं, पहले फ्रीक्वेंसी का टेबल आता है बाद में CF आता है, बट यहाँ पे पहले CF आ गया है बाद में फ्रीक्वेंसी आ रहा है, इसलिए थोड़ा तो अब देख के करेंगे हम, राइट. आई ऑल्सो कमिटेड मिस्टेक इन लुकिंग एट दिस. तो ये वाला CF 7.5 जो है ये हमने इधर ये वाला. नाउ 23.25 दैट इज लाइज ओवर हियर. तो दिस इज अवर मॉडल क्लास 900 to 1100. प्रीवियस वैल्यू that is our CF and its frequency, that is our frequency, right. So put up all the values and find out answer for the Q3 912.5. L that is lower limit of the class, so that is 900. C means class interval, that is 200. n by 4 आप सीधा ये भी लिख सकते हैं 23.25. CF ये आया 23, फ्रीक्वेंसी 4. सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो 912.5 आ जाएगा. नाउ वी फाइंड आउट मीडियन. n by, first of all we find out median class. n by 2th observation, so 31 upon 2. So median class is equals to 300 to 500. Yeah, right, 15.5. So 15.5 lies over here यहाँ पे. So median class बनेगा 300 to 500. So now lower limit that is 300. ये इसका previous value that is our CF for this median and its frequency 10. So that is frequency for this formula. So 10 multiply by class interval इसका कितना है 200, right. Simplify this तो आ जाएगा 490 median. Now we find out skewness, then we find out coefficient of skewness, that comes 0.46. So this is positive value, so the distribution is positively skewed, right. This is very easy sum because इसमें से formula ही follow करना है. So this becomes very easy for the calculation. Remaining third and sum number 3 and sum number 4, that is in homework. Now both the sums write down in your notebook. Do try to solve yourself in the notebook once you go through this video, and do try to solve by yourself, right. Okay, so that's all for today.